We are at our commercial building at 4632 McPherson Avenue. We're in the Central West End. This is a very unique building because it's going to have 2 townhomes inside of it. We're not quite complete. We're on our final 2 weeks. So let's take a walk through so you can see the stage it's at. This is the front entrance. We kept the front entrance because it's a historic property. So the way that you have to do this, the easiest way to do it, is to create what's called a vestibule. You can come in here. The vestibule is basically like your landing area. It's where we can still have 2 entrances. So now there's a residential entrance over here and a commercial entrance right here. So that's going to take it up to the Airbnb unit. There is unit 1 that has 2,500 square feet. So unit 2 was actually added later. You're going to get to this back unit from the alley, and there's a 2-car garage, which is a huge bonus for this Central West End area. This is probably my favorite unit because it has a deck that walks out. Okay, and then lastly, we're going to take a tour and just show you around the commercial space. So the commercial space used to be 2 levels, and then we converted the upstairs loft into the living room, what is now the living room of the first unit apartment or townhome. And now the commercial space is about 1,000 square feet. It's going to have a kitchen, a bathroom, have a little bit of a storage room. It's got super high ceilings, windows, a lot of natural light.